Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. So this is a 4-door, 7-passenger all-wheel drive passenger van, and the color is called Pre-Dawn Gray Mica. Under the hood, you'll find a very capable 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your passenger sun blinds in the back there. You also have your delay-off headlights. You have your forward collision mitigation and your rear cross traffic alert and your rear collision alert. But there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Sienna is this handy-dandy Toyota Smart Key. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your power side doors, your power liftgate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front driver door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. But I'm just going to lock this back up here so you can see how the Toyota Smart Key works. I'm just going to show you here as well that you do have your side blind zone alert. You also have your heated door mirrors. And I'm going to put this away because we're not going to be needing this. And I'm just going to place my hand on the handle and it's going to unlock for me, if you could hear that beeping there. So we're going to open this up, take a look at the inside. Lots of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have a lot of storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors, and all throughout the interior you're going to see this beautiful wood grain accents all throughout. You do have your 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat with your lumbar support. So lots of different ways to get you nice and comfortable, which won't be hard in this beautiful leather interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof. And I'm just going to hop on in here. We'll take a look at some more. We're going to start this up. Again, it is a Toyota Smart Key, so we won't be needing the key for that. Really nice. You don't have to rummage around in your purse or reach into your pocket, especially if your hands are full. So that's really nice as well. So taking a look a little bit further back, so you have a nice display. You have this great leather wrapped steering wheel and all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your mode changer buttons here, along with your voice command and your hands-free calling. And then on the right hand side, this here is for your central information display. You have your lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, which works with your cruise control just back here. And I'm just going to go through this menu a little bit so you can see. I'm not sure if you can actually see that because of the display and the camera, but you will have all of the information that you want, including your navigation. You have your music. You can see, set your cruise control settings with your lane departure alert and things like that. And then within your information, you have your distance to empty, your fuel economy, your trip time, your all-wheel drive monitor, and everything else that you're going to need to know just at the push of the buttons there. Taking a look at your entertainment system now, this includes your navigation system on your home screen. You can either take a look at it there, or when you're ready to plug in your address, you can go into your map. Really easy system to learn and use, so come on in and play around with it. Taking a look at your audio now, you do have everything that you're going to want in terms of sources in your main screen. You have your AM, FM radio. You do have your Sirius XM. Now this is telling me that the on-suite has not been updated because we haven't downloaded it for you yet, but we can do that when you come in for your test drive. This is going to give you things like Yelp, your Stitcher music streaming, you have your Google on there, so lots of different options in your Entune 3.0. You also have in your main screen, you have your Bluetooth, you do still have your CD player, and then you have your USB and your audio input, so lots of different things available to you there. And in your Entune 3.0, you'll find this is where you'll find it within your apps there, so it's going to say that it's not uploaded yet, but we can always do that for you when you come in for a test drive. Not a problem at all. I'm also going to show you here that you do have your rear vision camera. You have your rear vision camera there, and then you have a couple of different viewing options. So depending on how you like to view your rear vision camera, you can always set that to how you would like that to go. So that's always really nice as well. You do have your tri-zone climate control. That's really nice. So if somebody is running a little bit cooler or warmer than yourself, the passenger can set that. And then you have your rear temperature control as well. And those pilot seats in the back, the middle row has control over that as well. So that's going to be really handy for you. Now taking a look a little bit further down here, we do have our heated seats for our driver and our passenger, and you have your USB and your audio input. Then you have your 12-volt DC plug-in. You have a little bit of storage here with your cup holders, and then just underneath there, and there's another 12-volt DC plug-in just under there. So lots of different storage options there for you, and lots of different plug-in options. You also have a center console right in there, more cup holders, and you have even more cup holders in the back here that fold out. And then looking a little bit further in, you have a lockable glove box, so you can keep any valuables that you might need to in there. I wouldn't suggest keeping valuables in your vehicle, but if you have to, you can lock up your glove box. And then right up here is another small section here for some smaller items. Your passenger can use that to store their phone or anything like that. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Sienna. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Sienna now, lots going on back here as well. All of these little buttons here on your rear bumper are your rear park assist. You also have your rear vision camera just there. We talked a little bit about that earlier. And you do have a rear windshield wiper. It is tucked in just right underneath your spoiler here. I had mentioned that we have a power lift gate button on your fob, so we're just going to open this up here and we'll take a look at the cargo space. Really, really versatile cargo space. Still lots of room, even if you're using that third row. So as I mentioned, lots and lots of space down here. So nice, big, deep cargo area. You do have a little bit of extra storage here in the side. You also have these really handy bag clips here, so this you can hang your grocery bags on or any type of bag so that they don't go rolling around. And I'm just going to set these seats down for you so you can see just how easy it is. So I'm going to pull that down, pull this forward, and then just push it down just like that. So again, I can do this with one hand and film at the same time. I'll go nice and slow. Then you can actually flip these over here so you don't have this middle section here. You can just slide everything right in. Ooh, nice and sticky. So there you go. So tons and tons of cargo space there. Once you're finished loading everyone in, you can fit 4 people nice and comfortably because of those pilot seats, and you have a ton of space. And once you're finished loading in all of your gear, you can just push this button here, or you can use your fob, and that power lift gate will come right back down for you. Giving you a final look then of your 2018 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. There's so much happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, bring your whole family along, see how they like it. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.